Go to the Admin Maintenance Roles and Permissions section. Click on Add New Role. Type in the role name you want to create. Then, select the necessary permissions by checking the corresponding boxes. Once you're done, click Submit to confirm. A confirmation message will appear. Step 2. Assign the role to a user. Now, go to the Admin Maintenance Admin section. Click Add New Admin. Search for the user you want to assign a role to. Once found, select the appropriate role from the drop-down. Click Submit to save your changes. Step 3. Update an existing user's role optional. Locate the user in the admin list and click Edit. From there, you can select a new role for the user. Click Submit to confirm the update. Step 4. Review role assignments. To review all roles, their permissions, and which users they are assigned to, go back to the Roles and Permissions Maintenance section. And that's it. You've successfully set roles and permissions in the system.
Thank you for watching.